How to use Vanilla Visa gift card online. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily use your Vanilla Visa gift card online. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. So for example, I'm going to show you how you can use the vanilla gift card on Amazon. Open Amazon and add the products to your cart what you want to buy. Then at the checkout page, scroll down and select add debit credit ATM card. Tap on add a debit or credit card. In the name field, write gift card. In card number, write the 16-digit number that you can see on your gift card. Select the expiration date and year and tap on add your card. Check that the value of the item you are purchasing does not exceed the balance on your gift card. After you have added the gift card, select the gift card and tap on continue. This is how you can use your Vanilla Visa gift card online.